Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Wealth Concept 365 WC365. Today we're gonna be talking about the CIA Triad. So if you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity or just want to brush up on your knowledge, then this is the video for you. In particular, we're going to explain what the CIA Triad is, why it's important, and then we're going to cover each part of the CIA Triad. So let's get started. The CIA Triad consists of three important parts: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three parts are used to ensure that an organization's data remains protected and secure at all times. And the CIA Triad is one of the most widely recognized and accepted models for ensuring information security. Confidentiality is the first C in the CIA Triad. It ensures that sensitive information is accessed only by authorized individuals or systems. Imagine a locked safe that only the authorized personnel have access to the key. This is how confidentiality works. Any information that is not supposed to be shared with unauthorized people should be encrypted or hidden in some other way so that only those who are supposed to see it can actually view it. There are several different ways to achieve confidentiality, but the goal is always the same: to keep sensitive information safe from unauthorized access. Some common methods for achieving confidentiality include access control, encryption, and secure data disposal. Access control limits access to sensitive information only to authorized users. Encryption converts sensitive data into unreadable format that can only be read with a special key. Secure data disposal, on the other hand, makes sure that when data is no longer needed, it is erased or destroyed in a secure manner that prevents unauthorized access. Breach of confidentiality can result in serious consequences such as identity theft, financial loss, and damage to an organization's reputation. For example, if a company's customer database was to be leaked, it could result in customers' personal information being used for scams or fraud. Or if a government agency's confidential documents were to be released to the public, it could put national security at risk. Next up, we have integrity, which is the second C in the CIA Triad. Integrity ensures that data remains accurate and trustworthy even when it's shared with authorized users. Think of it like a seal of approval that guarantees the authenticity and accuracy of data. To achieve integrity, organizations can implement a variety of measures such as data validation, checksums, and digital signatures. Data validation checks that data is accurate and complete before it's processed or stored. Checksums generate a unique code that can be used to verify the accuracy of data. Digital signatures, on the other hand, use cryptography to ensure the authenticity and integrity of data. Even small changes to the data set can be detected with these methods. If integrity is breached, it can lead to serious problems such as incorrect decisions being made based on faulty data. For example, if a bank's database of customer account balances was to be corrupted, it could lead to millions of dollars being lost in a matter of seconds. Or if a hospital's patient database was to be tampered with, it could result in misdiagnosis and improper treatment. And last but not least, we have availability, which is the third and final pillar of the CIA Triad. Availability ensures that data and systems are accessible and operational when needed by authorized users. Imagine a library that is always open and its books are always available to be borrowed. That's what availability is all about. To achieve availability, organizations can implement measures such as data backup and recovery, redundancy, and failover systems. Data backup and recovery involves creating copies of data and storing them in a separate location so that they can be used to restore data in case of an outage. Redundancy means that there are multiple components that are used to ensure that data and systems are available. Failover systems automatically switch to a backup system in case the primary system fails. If availability is compromised, it can lead to major disruptions such as businesses being unable to operate or customers being unable to access the services they need. For example, if a cloud service provider's data centers were to experience a power outage, it could result in thousands of businesses being unable to operate. Or if a bank's online banking system were to go down, it could cause chaos in the financial markets. So now that we've covered all three parts of the CIA Triad, let's take a look at why it's important. The CIA Triad is important because it provides a framework for organizations to protect their data and systems from threats. By implementing measures to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability, organizations can reduce the risk of data breaches and system outages. Additionally, the CIA Triad is a widely recognized and accepted model for information security, which means that it can be used as a basis for developing security policies and procedures. This can help organizations to comply with industry regulations and standards, which can further reduce their risk of fines and penalties. Overall, the CIA Triad is an essential tool for any organization that wants to protect its data and systems from threats. Now let's move on to our practice quiz question. So, what is the third part of the CIA Triad? If you said availability, then you are correct. Good job! Just like a three-legged stool, the CIA Triad relies on each of these three parts to be strong. Without one of these parts, the whole thing can come crashing down. We hope you enjoyed learning about the CIA Triad with us. If you want to keep learning about cybersecurity, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. You can also check out our other videos to test your knowledge with more practice questions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already if you didn't do it, and if you did, watch this video right there. Don't forget to drop your comment. I think that will help you too.